Welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today we're making
Collard
greens.
Yeah. So first we're gonna
turn the thing on. We're gonna heat up oil.
Yeah.
There's a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil in there. We're gonna turn it on medium high. Okay. And now we're gonna show you how to strip the. There's another one there.
It's actually
Okay.
4.
Okay.
Let's go. Does it come off
See,
like
you
this?
just strip it right off. Yeah, that's fine. Now do the other one.
I want to do this one.
Let me do yours. Okay. All right. See how easy that was?
Yeah.
Super easy.
It was also really fun.
Okay. Then you chop it. Right? Okay. All right. So
Wait,
then
so
now,
we do-
next thing to go in after the.
Emma.
We're gonna put these in right now.
No, I'm gonna chop those up.
Emma.
Check those up.
Yeah.
We're gonna put them in here. And get the little one.
Okay. Once the onions cook, then we'll be back.
Hi guys.
We're back.
Yeah.
Okay.
We forgot to mention why we're cooking these greens today,
It's because of Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday.
right? And who was Dr. Martin Luther King? He was a civil rights leader in the
Yep.
1960s. Well, actually in the 50s and the 60s.
Let's see.
He was 15 when he entered college. Okay, what are we doing next?
We are adding.
We're gonna add the red pepper flakes and the garlic next.
Yeah.
That's about 5 cloves of garlic. Now the
Wait,
red
wait,
pepper
wait.
flakes.
The spice is the flavor.
I'm not sure if we mentioned, but we're making these vegetarian. Back in the day, Martin Luther King would be making these with meat, or his family, his mom or his wife would be making these with meat, but we're making them without meat so that we can partake in them.
Yeah, cause these are not meat. They're vegetarians.
Okay, now each person can put one bowl in. Maybe Emma put the big bowl in.
Just like dump it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you go first.
Try to get it in the pot though, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's a lot of greens. That's actually 4 bunches of collard greens. And it's going to cook way, 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 way down to where it's going to look like you're going to think we took some out, but we're not. Okay.
Yeah, like a lot.
Now,
We're gonna do
3
that.
cups of vegetable broth. We're going to cook for about 30 minutes until they're nice and softened. 30, 40, maybe 50 minutes. And then we'll be back. See how much they've cooked down after only about 5 minutes. It was up to the top. Now it's already about 3 or 4 inches from the top. These are going to cook way down. That's why you want to make sure you get a whole bunch of them. This is after about 10 minutes. Let's go.
Hi guys.
We're back again.
We're going to tell you some fun facts about Martin Luther King Jr.
Of what his favorite
Foods were macaroni and cheese and fried chicken.
Yeah.
And
The stuff that we're making right now.
which is
Collard greens.
collard greens. That's right.
Collard
But we're doing vegetarian ones. We're pretty
Yeah.
sure he didn't eat the vegetarian ones. But we like it without meat so that we can eat it.
Yeah, and I will eat anything with meat or
Okay.
Vegetables. She eats everything.
All right. We'll be back.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Okay.
Lots of salt.
salt and
Collard greens are finished. We're just seasoning with some salt and some pepper.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put in, I got the juice of a half of a lemon here. I'm going to put about half of that in there.
Ooh.
That looks really good.
All right. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm ready to eat it. Oh, great.
If you're a meat eater and you want to put a smoked turkey in there, or a smoked ham hock, or some cut up ham left over from Christmas or New Year's, feel free to do that. kind of cool to eat the food of people you admire. This is something Martin Luther King Jr. enjoyed eating, and now here we are enjoying it, celebrating his birthday.
Mmm.
Too hot, Zoe?
It's really good.
That is good.
It looks gross.
They look gross?
Yeah,
think so.
but it tastes really good.
You see how that cooked way down, though? It was that great big pot right there, full, and now it's this
We
little tiny
didn't-
bowl right here.
We did not remove any.
No, we did not. Okay, well, that's it.
Bye.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And happy birthday, Martin Luther King.
Jr.
There you go.